Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to review the Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24 hours full coverage foundation. Finally this foundation is available in India and I'm so happy. Now recently they have launched in only 9 shades, but altogether they have 24 shades which range from very pale skin to very deep and dark skin tone, but they only have 9 shades available in India. And when you look at the shade chart, it will look like that they have foundation for only medium skin type, which is not good. So this is how the foundation look like, come in a glass bottle with a white cap, and obviously they have a pump. Maybelline Fit Me foundation was like I would say was always a mess for me because that foundation did not have pump, but this time they have included pump in this foundation. I'm in the shade 312, which is one shade dark for me because my neck is lighter than my face, so I always match my face with my neck, and that's why I'm gonna buy Sun Beige. That would be a perfect shade. So if you're an NC40 in MAC, Sun Beige, that is 310, will be your shade. In this bottle you'll get 30 ml of product, which is priced at ₹750, and this foundation is a full coverage foundation. You'll not need any color correction under this foundation. If you have dark spots or dark under eye dark circles or any hyperpigmentation, this is gonna cover everything. So if you're going to be a bride, or if you want to give your foundation to your friend, and if you're looking for a good foundation, this is going to be your foundation. It's affordable as well as the coverage is amazing. For the wear test, I have this foundation for almost 5 months now. I bought this foundation with from Insta seller, and I will leave the page name somewhere here on the screen. So I buy all my international makeup from her. So I bought this foundation like 4 or 5 months back, and I just love the finish of the foundation. It's soft matte. It's a long wearing foundation. It says it's 24-hour foundation, but I have never wore this foundation for 24 hours. But yeah, I wore this foundation for more than 12 hours and it does not budge. It stays put on your face for a very long time. The finish is beautiful, soft matte. So if you're any skin type, whether it's oily or you have a dry skin or you have a combination skin, this will suit all skin type. For the wear test, one side I applied with the sponge and other side I applied with the brush, and in both the ways it applies beautifully. It does not have any problem in blending. It blends beautifully. It looks like your skin. It does not feel heavy on your face. You can bake with this foundation. It just looks beautiful on your skin. Because this foundation does not have any SPF, and that's the reason it does not give any flashback. So if you're looking for a good foundation, you can completely buy this because the formula is great. It has a soft matte finish. It's very comfortable on the skin. The packaging is pump. Obviously it's very difficult to travel with the glass bottle. I won't say it's a travel essential, but still the formula is great. It's a full coverage foundation. It does not give you any flashback. With that, we come to the end of this video. Make sure to click on the like button if you find this video helpful. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also the notification bell so you'll not miss any videos whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.